Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll walk through customizing cable labels and signal settings. From your Xtenavy dashboard, navigate to Settings under the Profile drop-down menu. Select Cable and Signal Settings from the Extra Settings drop-down. Here, you can adjust various settings to enhance your design. First, let's look at cable IDs at both ends. Switch on the toggle to display cable IDs at both ends of your connections. Next, we have color cable IDs based on signal type. Enable this to color code your cables. You'll also find video, audio, control, network, and power settings. Customize these to suit your design needs. For instance, in the video cable settings, you can adjust colors, thickness, cable number prefixes, and cable numbers. You can also group properties by selecting signal names and clicking the Group Properties button. Similarly, in audio settings, you can modify the stroke color of the mic out signal, adjust cable thickness, and set cable number prefixes. Similar customization options can be found in the control, network, and power settings as well. After customizing, remember to hit Save. Now, let's see these settings in action in the Extra Editor. Select Cable Settings from the Extra Settings drop-down, and click Pull Cable Settings. And your cable settings will be pulled. For example, when connecting HDMI to HDMI, you'll see the cable's color stroke is red, and cable IDs are at both ends, as per our settings. Similarly, the audio settings can also be implemented. Settings like Number All will ensure that all your connections are numbered at both ends. Next, there's the Remove Cable ID option. As illustrated, enabling this setting will remove all the cable IDs from your drawing. Finally, there's the Apply and Remove Cable Style option, which allows you to apply your cable style settings to the connections you've made in your drawing or remove them if needed. That's it for this tutorial. For more, visit xtenavy.com.